In 1986, 4 years before Madiba was released from prison, Joseph established the Makhetha Alignment Centre. Today, in 2017, I'm meeting with his son David, who has taken over the business, and I want to find out from him, how has his journey been and how business has grown? Let's go check it out. David is running the Makhetha Alignment Centre, which was opened by his father, right?
Yes.
So tell me about that. How did your father get into it?
My father used to sell vegetables in the 1983, selling in Pefeni. Met a guy who helped him, showed him how to fix tubes, tires. Then he started working for somebody who was doing those tires and everything like that. That was in the early 80s. He used to sell bananas and all those things. So then from there he moved, opened up his own workshop, started a little struggling, till what the workshop is today.
And how did you get into the business?
I got into the business from a young age, ever since I imagined. My father, weekends, used to take us when he went to go stock, even tomatoes and everything like that, he used to take us. So teach us, this is 1, 2, 3.
And did you come here because you had to come here, or was it because of the love of cars?
Well, in the beginning, there was no choice. In the beginning, there was no choice. It was like, if you want a school shoe, come to work. So I came to work. I thought, this guy, man, why is he like this? Up until I grew up, then I started falling in love, because what I used to do, when the people go away, when I see machines, I'm addicted to the machines.
Okay. So
I see machine, I fiddle there, I welded from the age of 5. Today I know how to weld 7 steels, aluminum, everything, So I taught myself a lot of things, and also I got to time, because I'm an artist, I got time to come here and do some art, for school, for whatever, events. I make art for you, through the machines.
So you have a workshop right here in Orlando East. What are the advantages of being set up in the township?
The advantages is that you get to work with people that you never thought you would work, celebrities, soccer players, it's different. It's Soweto, it's like more family orientated. You are always welcomed. So even the people here, they're people that are welcoming. And their services, I can, if a customer is short of something, a bumper or whatever, it's just a phone call. I will phone one of the guys, hey, do you have a bumper for this? So it's a network.
And what about the disadvantages?
Disadvantages, sometimes, it's hard as black owners, to tap into the market, because some of us never went to school, like my father, for instance, he never went to school, when you are a different color, you find that it's easier for you to go to, and your parents say, let's go to school for this, or the funds are easily accessible to elevate to the next level. So the disadvantage, you might find that other things, them a week before they happen, especially in the motor industry. So I can say that's the only disadvantages.
All right, well, I'd like to see your workshop.
So this is our reception area, where all the customers, they come in, they sit down, just take a chill pill, unwind and reminisce, drink your beers, however it is. We've got our car products as well. Right here, I've got my mini exhibition room when customers come. Stuff that I've made from arts. We clean rooms, we do room repairs, modifications, sketch removals. Basically, we take a room and make it brand new. Just like this one, it was very, very damaged.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so everything inside here, there is no new room inside here. All the rooms have been refurbished. So from here, we move into the next room. This is where we change our tires. Here, with all the machines that change tires, we do everything from your 10-inch rim trailer rims, all the way to a 22-inch. These machines are capable of taking out rims with no hassle.
Wow.
And I knew how to operate this baby by the age of 6 years.
6 serious?
Yes.
And you didn't get hurt or any broken bones?
Today I have nothing. We do balancing as well. We do balancing for basically everything. Your 22-inch, 30-inch tires, Lamborghini.
30-inch?
Got 30 state-of-the-art equipment. This is where we fix our rims. All the way the broken ones, doesn't matter. 15-inch, 20-inch. We've got welding machines, state-of-the-art machines, lathe machines. Oh, this is Tuka, my nephew.
Oh, okay.
He just finished matric this year.
Aha, so you are also instilling him the value of a rand,
I'm
huh?
instilling it in him as well.
All right, so tell me, I mean, with all this equipment, is this, and this is also a family-run business, is it going to be passed from generation to generation?
We're trying to keep it to pass it into the next generation. We want it, at least the building and the services that we offer, they must last for the next 1,000 years.
And what services exactly do you offer?
We do wheel alignment, wheel balancing, tire changing, patch, vulcanizing. Vulcanizing is when the tire it's messed up on the side. It's got a crack. We do mag repairs. We do wiring of cars. We mechanical repairs. The only thing that we offer all the services except panel beating.
Okay. And so when somebody brings their car here, what can they expect that's different to them taking it to a panel beating shop in the towns or in the cities?
Here, basically, we've got value for money. Our price range is quite reasonable. We get guys coming from Pretoria, we get guys coming from Vereeniging, from the suburbs with Range Rovers coming to fix their cars here. The reason why our prices are within pricing range. We don't overprice, we don't hike up the prices. And also the quality of work that we do, it's over high standard. So we always try to maintain our quality, hence why the business is still running for the last 20 years. And for the future also, we currently have just made my own rim. So I'm looking into manufacturing that rim and making that dream happen, so that the business can grow bigger. Besides, not only that we are working on the rims, but also on the pipeline, we've got things that are set up.
You heard it for yourself right here on Gazi Cars. We won't tell you too much because there's still some paperwork that needs to be processed, yes?
Yes, definitely.
All right, so you stay right there. But I mean, I really appreciate everything that you're doing, man. Your father started this and you are carrying on his legacy. I think it's absolutely amazing. So congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you very much.